Welcome to HomeGlow Studio, your ultimate destination for interior design inspiration. Today, we bring you a curated collection of breathtaking living room concepts featuring modern minimalism, grand architectural spaces, and warm coastal aesthetics. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more luxury home ideas. Notice how the right sofa arrangement completely shapes the room. Pairing a comfortable primary sofa with bold accent armchairs creates a warm, conversational space. If your living room features large windows, opt for low-profile, curved sofas to keep the natural view unobstructed. When it comes to storage, floor-to-ceiling wooden shelving can instantly convert a plain wall into an impressive home library. For a cleaner, contemporary vibe, low wooden cabinets paired with integrated LED strip lighting offer sleek, functional elegance. Always anchor your space with a striking focal point, like a dramatic marble feature wall, a curated gallery wall, or large leafy indoor plants that bring natural life into the room. Which of these living room concepts would you try in your home? Drop your favorite in the comments below and hit subscribe to catch our next design walkthrough. Creating the ultimate living room starts with the right balance of colors and window treatments. For modern spaces, stick to neutral base tones like warm beige, soft gray, or creamy off-white to create an open, airy feel. You can introduce depth using accent colors like muted rust, navy blue, or forest green through cushions, rugs, and artwork. When it comes to curtains, opt for floor-to-length drapes in sheer linen to maximize natural light, or heavy velvet in darker shades for a cozy, luxurious mood. Always hang curtain rods closer to the ceiling to instantly elevate your space. Which living room style fits your home best? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more luxury interior inspiration. Living room decoration is more than just styling. It's an investment in how you feel in your home. To make any living room look truly stunning and significantly more spacious, focus on these foundational pieces. Start with a grand, well-fitting area rug. A large pattern rug doesn't clutter. It instantly expands the room by delineating the space and adding essential texture. Think of your rug as the room's second floor. Next, harness the power of statement lighting. An elegant fixture, like a classic brass and crystal chandelier, draws the eye upward, celebrating vertical height and providing the right ambient flow. Balance this with architectural floor lamps that cast focused light exactly where you need it. Don't overlook your textures. Introduce rich materials like marble for sleek surfaces, or soft velvet and deep greens for comfort. Velvet is durable, luxurious, and absorbs light beautifully. Finally, curate your decor. Use distinct sculptural items and clear crystal to add points of interest and maximize light refraction. These elements ensure your room feels high-end, thoughtful, and, most importantly, expansive. Ready for your home transformation? Save this design guide and comment sofa below if you want to see our curated list of the best space-maximizing sofas. Transforming a home from simple to spectacular comes down to architectural detail and statement elements. Here is how top designers create unforgettable interiors. Start by controlling the flow with custom dividers. Fluted glass paired with warm brass creates privacy while letting natural light filter seamlessly through open concept spaces. Make your media area look intentional by concealing screen tech behind sliding artwork panels, framed in rich dark walnut. For your social zones, elevate a home bar with mood lighting, integrated warm LEDs, and clear crystal glass display shelves. Bring comfort forward with tactile textures. A plush velvet ottoman topped with a carved wooden tray instantly grounds the room. Anchor large spaces using double-sided concrete fireplaces or illuminated agate stone feature walls that create an unmissable focal point. Finally, ground the room with geometric brass floor inlays or turn your ceiling into a masterpiece using starry fiber optic lighting. Finish with large floor-to-ceiling copper mirrors to bounce light and visually double your space. Which feature would you add to your home first? The sliding art TV wall or the backlit agate feature? Save this video for your next remodel and comment your favorite below. Elevate your space with the power of small details. From rich, woven carpets that ground your floor, to vibrant glass prisms casting natural sunlight across your walls, and oversized mirrors that double your light. It's the subtle touches that transform a simple house into a stunning home.